Alright, all y-intercepts cross the y-axis. That's why it's called the y-intercept. And when it crosses the y-axis, the x-coordinate is going to be 0. That's because it's right on the y-line. Okay, for all x-intercepts, which is on the x-line, that's where the line crosses the x-axis, the y-coordinate is always going to be 0. That's because it's right on the x-axis. Alright, so how do we do a problem like graphing using intercepts? Okay, so we'll do an easy problem. For example, 2x minus 3y equals 6. Alright, based on what I said, to find the y-intercept, that's where the x is 0. And to find the x-intercept, that's where the y is 0. So we have 2x minus 3y equals 6. So if we're looking for the y-intercept, the x is 0. So we're going to put 0 in for x. 2 times 0 minus 3y equals 6. So basically 2 times 0 is 0, so it goes away. You get negative 3y equals 6. Divide by negative 3, and you get the y-intercept is at negative 2. So our line will cross the y at 0, negative 2. 2x minus 3y equals 6. Now let's look for the x-intercept. To find the x-intercept, the y is 0. Because when it's crossing the x-axis, the y-coordinate is going to be 0. So now we're going to plug in 0 in place of the y to find the x-intercept. So 2x minus 3 times 0 equals 6. So basically 3 times 0 is 0. So all we have is 2x equals 6. And divide by 2, you get x equals 3. So the x-intercept where the line crosses is at 3, 0. That's where the line crosses the x-axis. Okay, so let's graph this. What was it, negative 2? Okay. So if we graph this line, let me get a line. Okay, it crosses the y at negative 2, which is right there. And it crosses the x at 3, which is right here. Okay, then you connect the two dots. And that's where the line goes through the y-intercept, which is negative 2, and the x-intercept, which is 3, 0.